There is an immense power within you, an untapped energy that can reshape everything you experience. It isn't in distant stars or cosmic forces, but in the vivid realm of your own imagination. The truth is that everything you desire, everything you crave, is already within your grasp. You simply have to believe it. You don't have to wait for something to happen to you. You don't have to hope for it. The secret lies in knowing that what you seek is already yours. Walk as though the path is already cleared. Move as if victory is already yours, and rejoice as though your prayers have already been answered. Faith is not a passive waiting game. It's an act of creation. It's the most powerful dynamic force you have. It's not just about wishing for something. It's about living in the conviction that what you don't yet see is more real than what is right in front of you. True faith is the certainty that what is unseen will become visible, that your desires are already a reality in a world that is still catching up to them. Imagine for a moment, what if you lived every day believing your prayers had already been answered? What if the love you seek, the financial freedom you desire, the success you long for, were already yours? Can you feel it? Can you feel the emotion of your desires fulfilled? If you can, then you've just unlocked the door. This isn't about chance. This is about the undeniable law of the universe. The truth that what you believe is what you will see. To live as though the answer has already come is to embrace the highest form of creative power. The moment you align with the feeling that your wish has been granted, reality shifts. The world around you will change to match your inner state, because the world is nothing more than a reflection of what you believe to be true within. But here's the thing. You cannot ask for something and then hold on to the belief that it's out of reach. You can't pray for abundance while seeing yourself as lacking. You can't hope for love while feeling unworthy of it. The world doesn't listen to your words. It responds to the state of being you embody. The moment you shift your state of being, everything around you starts to follow suit. How do you know if you've shifted? Well, when you close your eyes, do you feel the warmth of love surrounding you? Do you sense the freedom of financial abundance? Do you walk through your life like someone who already has everything they desire? If yes, then the law of manifestation is already in motion. If not, it's time to keep going. Keep feeling. Keep visualizing until it becomes real. And here's the crucial part. Don't just visualize. Don't just repeat affirmations. You must live in the feeling of already having what you seek. Each morning, when you wake up, step into your day as though your dreams have already come true. Walk as though you already carry the gratitude of someone who has been answered. Speak as though the universe has already said. Your words should reflect the truth that it is already done. The universe isn't slow to respond. It mirrors your deepest beliefs and does so instantly. Whatever you accept as true inside will become your truth outside. So why do people fail to manifest what they want? It's simple. Doubt. Doubt is the greatest barrier to your dreams. Fear is the voice of your past self, the part of you that still clings to old limitations. The mind will try to argue, will try to convince you that you need evidence first. But you must remain unwavering. You must refuse to give power to anything but the belief that your desires are already realized. If you desire love, then be love. If you want abundance, radiate abundance. If you long for success, then carry yourself as someone who's already achieved it. The energy you project is what will come back to you, because this isn't a theory. It's the very law of manifestation. There's no mystery here. The universe doesn't play favorites. It simply reflects back what you believe. So why do people struggle to see their desires come to life? Because they give up too soon. They plant the seed of their wish, but then dig it up again with impatience. They say a prayer, but then counteract it with thoughts of fear and lack. But that's not how this works. The law of assumption requires conviction. You must believe your wish is already fulfilled, without hesitation, without doubt, until it hardens into fact. This is not the way of the world. The world teaches that you must see in order to believe. But the true law of the universe teaches the opposite. You must believe in order to see. Your external world is merely an echo of your internal state. If you persist in seeing yourself as small, the world will confirm that. But if you walk with the confidence that greatness is already yours, life will rise to meet you. There is no outside force that determines your fate. It is always you, and always has been. You create your experience by choosing which reality to accept. And the greatest secret of all is this: you do not need to know how it will unfold. The mind will try to force solutions, will try to figure it all out. But the key is simply to know that it is already done. Look at the world around you. Everything you experience is the result of past thoughts, past assumptions. But just as easily as you once assumed lack, limitation, or struggle, you can choose to assume abundance, success, and peace. The moment you shift your assumptions, everything around you will shift too. It's not about hoping or wishing. It's about living from the end result. When you stop wishing and start living as if it has already happened, everything changes. People spend so much time waiting for the universe to change. But the truth is, you must change first. When you step into the reality of what you desire, the universe will follow suit. Too many people waste their lives waiting for signs, for the right moment. But waiting is nothing more than a lack of faith. To wait is to tell the universe that you don't yet have what you seek, and so you remain stuck. The key is to stop waiting altogether. The person who lives as if their prayer is already answered doesn't wait. They move. They act. They live with the certainty that what they've asked for is already here. You don't become wealthy by waiting for money to appear. You don't become loved by waiting for someone to prove their affection. You don't become healthy by waiting for symptoms to disappear. You become wealthy by assuming the consciousness of abundance. You become loved by embodying the fullness of love. You become healthy by assuming the state of perfect health. So here's the truth. You are not separate from your desires. You are not at the mercy of fate or time. You are the creator of your reality. And when you step into this truth, everything begins to change. There's no waiting in creation. There's only being. And the moment you live as though you already have everything you desire, you will begin to experience the miracles you've been waiting for. Live now as though you've already received it. Walk as if the answer has already come. Speak with the certainty that your dream is already your reality. Because when you do, you will never wonder if manifestation works. You will know, because you will have lived it. When the world responds to your belief, it does so instantly. All you need to do is claim it. Believe that what you've asked for is already yours, and everything around you will begin to adjust. You were never separate from your desires. What you seek has been seeking you all along. And the moment you step into the truth that it's already yours, you'll see it appear in your life in ways you could never have expected. Now step into your power. Step into your knowing. The world is waiting for you to claim your reality, because it's already yours. You've always had the key. The question is, are you ready to step through the door?